What's up, guys? Welcome back. This is Nick up here at Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee, and today we're going for a test drive in a 1991 LX Mustang. This car here has got the 5.0 under the hood. It's also got an AC compressor. We'll be testing all that out, making sure it works. This thing is slick, guys. Got a nice paint job, interior's clean, motor's nice and sound, 5-speed transmission. We take them down the road, point out any kind of flaws. That way you know exactly what you're buying when you get here. Check us out at maplemotors.com. I have finance and shipping information, wheels, tires, parts, and accessories available on that website. If you're new to the channel, hit subscribe. I post videos every day. If you like the music at the beginning, go ahead and subscribe to Southgate Production. That's another YouTube channel on here where I throw some music out. Okay, guys, I'll tell you what. We're gonna set this hood down and take this baby down the road. It's about that time. Let's go for a ride. Okay, so before we take off, gonna look around the interior, check everything out. This thing is in great shape. Everything's nice and clean and working order. The dash is clean. It's showing 46,000 miles. And go ahead and place your bets. You think the horn works on this one? I bet it does. AC. Sure is blowing pretty hard. It's pretty cold outside right now anyways. But I felt it pull down on the motor a little bit. Windshield wipers do work on this one. Cut those off. Let's check this horn. It does work. We got an upgraded stereo system in here. There is a subwoofer under my seat. It's not too much. It's just perfect. There we go. I cut it off that time. But yeah, radio works. Good deal. Okay, let's take this thing down the road. Try not to freeze to death. Okay, this car is very nice, guys. Everything on it's clean and seems to be in working order. It's even got a Bluetooth radio in it. The windows have a light tint on them. I'm gonna roll this one up to keep the wind noise down for the video. E-brake's working perfect. That thing feels practically new. Oil pressure is above the medium there. Engine temperature is coming up. A good running temperature right now, so we're gonna take off. Anything I see, I will let you know. So smooth. Straight as an arrow. Clutch feels good. Love it's got the click. Every time you put it in gear, it locks in. She's got some decent power. Steering's nice and tight. Quiet on the exhaust. Feels good. Definitely makes me miss my Fox body. Turn signals are popping up on the dash on both sides. Speedometer seems correct. Try all the gears here. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and pull in our spot over here. We're gonna get some outside shots, kind of drive over the camera, give you some undercarriage shots as well. If you want to make some of these videos at home, or you want to sell something to us, you could definitely make a little quick video just like what I'm doing here. But you can look below in the description and see all the gear I use. It's all off Amazon, pretty much everything that I've gotten, except I went to Best Buy to get my GoPro 7, and I tend to like that one the best out of all of them right now. I'm sure the 9's really good, but I mean, the 7's probably just as good, really. All right, we're gonna get some outside shots. Let's do this. All right, got the windows back up. We're getting ready to head back to the car lot and do a walk around video. That's the second video that we do for every car. So I did notice the tint gauge is not reading right. It's down at the bottom. I don't think it's on at all. Motor seems to be nice and cool, and it does have a low coolant light on. I don't know if these are sensors or what, but when we get back to the lot, I'll pop the hood, check everything out. We're heading on back now, so. Checking all the gears. They feel great. Very responsive. Coming up to that road with the speed bump in it, the suspension feels great in this car. I would definitely give it an 8 out of 10. Speed bump is right here. All right. We're gonna come through Brian's Motorsports parking lot. I'll go down here and see what they're doing. He usually got something cool going on. He does a lot of car customizing. They're worth checking out. Just jump on over to briansmotorsports.com. He's got rims, tires, custom interiors, stereo systems, alarm systems. Works on supercars, classics, new model trucks. Pretty much anything you want to get customized, he can do it. We'll cruise back through here one more time, get kind of close. I actually buy all my wheels down here. briansmotorsports.com. He's also got Facebook and Instagram. Be sure to check that out. All right, heading on back to the lot now. It's literally right next door to us. Sure, I guess this guy. Okay. Coming up to the car lot, we're gonna go ahead and do the walk around video right here. Be sure to click on the link the last 30 seconds of this video. Appreciate y'all riding along with me. Later, guys. Well, I hope y'all enjoyed that test drive. If you did, hit that subscribe button. I came back to the lot, just double checking here. And the radiator's full. This motor's not hot or nothing, but it does need that temp gauge fixed. And I think there's a sensor on this coolant. It's not reading right. This coolant is not low, it is full. All right, check us out at maplemotors.com. You want to see the top up and all that, you can go on over to maplemotors.com and look at the detailed pictures. I also have financing and shipping information for you to check out. If you have any other questions, give us a call, 615-822-4444. We'll be happy to talk with you. We're all family. We've been here 38 years. Also, if you share this video, that helps us out greatly. I want to go ahead and thank you in advance for that. Okay, be looking for the walk around. I'm about to start it. See you later, guys.